What's up guys, Julian in here, and yes, I have to put the tent here. I had it in storage. I don't know why I didn't use it before. Now I can work here pretty much every day, all day. So yes, today you will see how to make your own Nismo power braces, saving a ton of money because, as we all know, Nismo uses these very same braces and they just weld a bar and paint it silver, and they charge you like 280-300 bucks for that. So yes, the way I'm gonna do it, you will see it's gonna look pretty much the same, perform the same, and it costs me 10 bucks. So yeah, let's do this. So the only thing you need other than a welder is one of these bars from Home Depot or Lowe's. There you have the size, 3/4 24 inches long. This is perfect. It cost me 11 bucks. So don't try to be a hero and weld or make this outside the car. It won't work. I seen guys trying to copy from a friend who has a Nismo bar and try to measure how much is the bar, cut it and try to weld it with this outside the car. No, you won't get the angle. So just do that. You have room for underneath to put the bar and tag it here, and then yes, take everything out and weld it really good and box it. So I will show you that later. All right. That should be good. Yep, perfect. All right, let's tag this in. Let's do this. I want this bar as low as possible. So if any hit the ground, it's the bar and not the oil pan. Let's move to the other side. Oops. Oopsie. Alright, and now the fun part, to remove the power braces. Alright, to do that you have to take these bolts. It's 3 bolts, actually 2, and this nut. So be careful on this one, because normally people use a impact gun and they snap. These are held by a nut inside the frame. They're normally rusty as fuck. So if you play too hard on this, they will snap the nut inside. It's not the end of the world. It happened 3 times already to me. So yeah, normally I do it on the outside. I cut a window, open that window, put the nut in place, back in place, weld it really good, close the window and weld all around so you don't get any water later. So just be careful with these. The same with these ones right here, the thread, they suck balls, so be careful. Okay, braces are off. No issues, no bolt issues and shit, so yeah. Now we need to box these. I normally use a plate from here to here, and that's it. And this is the plate that I always use for pretty much everything. If you want to focus, yes. So let's mock up, cut, and weld it. Just put it in position, and then mark where to cut. Do the same with the other side, and that's it. And now that we have the plates, we just needed to put it in place, tack weld it really good. Before that, I will clean everything here, and let's do this final step. On the Nismo braces, you will find, other than this weld, a triangle piece of metal here, but it's the same. I welded pretty thick. Ouch. So it's okay. It doesn't have to be a beauty. This is not a contest. Just make sure to weld it really good. Then the silver paint will cover everything. So that's good enough for me and for my car. So let's do the next one. Okay, this is pretty much done. It just needs paint, and that's it. Let me show you here. The contrast is different here. So yeah, let me wash this thing really quick, and it looks awesome. Paint, Scotch pad paint, and you won't notice the difference between Nismo and Nismo. You will see. Paint I've been using, that's the code. If you like one, you're gonna see later. So let's do this. Hopefully this is enough. Oh, it's getting there already, looking, already becoming a Nismo. Hell yeah. Oh, I have water there. Who cares, right? Forget about primer and shit. As I told you guys the other day, I just want to finish this car. So, fuck it. Will be nice, but not that nice. But I can deal with that. So this is it. This is the final product, and hope all these videos make you decide to do it yourself, because it's the same as the Nismo. Believe me, it's Nismo uses the OEM power braces and just they weld it, and then it's $300. So just go for it. If you have a welder, just do it. I'm not a pro welding using it. I'm just a guy with a welder, but I just do my shit. So yeah, let me give you. And this is super strong. It look good. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next mod. Today I show you how to do your own Nismo power brace, aka Nismo. So this is how it looks all done. I didn't want to put that before because I needed to paint though. That's the final product.